Welcome to the Future of Work podcast from Thomas Academy. In this episode, we would like to discover about unlocking executive support, building a compelling case for investing in learning and development. In today's fiercely competitive business arena, organizations must continuously innovate and elevate their competitive prowess to remain at the forefront. One of the paramount avenues to achieve this is through robust learning and development (L&D) initiatives. Nevertheless, to secure the crucial investment and backing from top-level executives, L&D professionals must craft a persuasive case that vividly illustrates the myriad benefits L&D bestows upon an organization. This blog delves into the pivotal arguments that L&D professionals can employ to sway executives towards substantial investments in employee training and development. 1. Bolstering productivity, the path to profitability. Investing in L&D can fundamentally transform a workforce by equipping employees with the skills and knowledge they need to perform their roles more effectively. Well-trained personnel are not only more efficient but also tend to make fewer errors. Consequently, this leads to a direct boost in company sales and profits. The correlation between L&D investments and increased productivity is indisputable. By fostering a culture of continuous learning, companies set themselves on the path to enhanced productivity and sustained growth. 2. Elevating employee engagement, a testament to commitment. L&D initiatives are emblematic of an organization's commitment to its workforce. When employees see that their company invests in their growth and development, it fosters a sense of value and loyalty. Employees who feel valued are more likely to remain with the company over the long term, reducing turnover rates and the associated recruitment costs. Consequently, L&D becomes a strategic tool for nurturing a committed and engaged workforce, which is a cornerstone of any successful organization. 3. Attracting top talent, a competitive edge. In the relentless pursuit of excellence, organizations are in a perpetual hunt for top-tier talent. Companies with robust L&D programs are often perceived as attractive destinations for skilled professionals. These programs not only act as magnets for top talent but also serve as a foundation for developing a continuous pipeline of highly skilled individuals from within the organization. The result? Reduced recruitment costs and a consistent influx of talent that propels the company's growth trajectory. 4. Mitigating operating costs, the value of expertise. One of the less appreciated benefits of investing in L&D is the substantial reduction in operating costs. Well-trained employees make fewer mistakes, which directly translates into minimized waste and financial losses. The cost savings associated with error reduction can be substantial and should not be underestimated. L&D thus emerges as a potent tool for optimizing operational efficiency and financial performance. 5. Ensuring legal compliance, a regulatory imperative. In certain industries, maintaining professional certifications and complying with industry-specific regulations is not merely a best practice but a legal requirement. L&D programs play a pivotal role in ensuring that employees stay up to date with the latest industry standards and regulations. By facilitating legal compliance, these programs shield organizations from costly penalties and legal entanglements. 6. Cultivating a learning culture, navigating the future. In an era characterized by rapid technological advancements and profound business transformations, fostering a culture of lifelong learning is indispensable. Robust L&D initiatives serve as the bedrock upon which a learning culture is built. Employees who are continually acquiring new skills and knowledge are better equipped to navigate the complexities of the modern business landscape. A learning culture not only ensures the relevance of an organization but also positions it as an agile and adaptive player in a fast-evolving world. There are many different types of L&D programs that companies can implement to help their employees acquire knowledge and develop new skills. Some common L&D programs include role-playing. This type of training involves employees acting out scenarios to practice and improve their skills in a safe and controlled environment. Simulation training. This type of training uses simulations to help employees learn and practice new skills in a realistic but risk-free environment. Collaborative training. This type of training involves employees working together to learn and practice new skills, often through group activities and discussions. On-the-job coaching and mentoring. This type of training involves experienced employees providing guidance and support to less experienced employees as they learn and develop new skills on the job. Short workshops. These are focused, intensive training sessions designed to help employees quickly learn and develop specific skills. These are just a few examples of the many different types of L&D programs that companies can implement to help their employees acquire knowledge and develop new skills. The specific L&D programs that a company chooses to implement will depend on its unique needs and goals. Measuring the effectiveness of your learning and development (L&D) program is crucial to understanding its impact and identifying areas for improvement. Here are some ways you can measure the effectiveness of your L&D program. Understand your goals. Before you can measure effectiveness, you need to have a clear understanding of what you're trying to achieve with your L&D program. This could be anything from improving productivity, reducing errors, increasing employee engagement, or attracting top talent. Use the Kirkpatrick model. The Kirkpatrick model is a widely used framework for evaluating the effectiveness of training programs. It involves 4 levels of evaluation: reaction, how well the trainees liked the training; learning, the extent to which trainees learned the material; behavior, the extent to which the training changed behavior; and results, the effects on business outcomes. Track key metrics. Depending on your goals, there are various metrics you can track. These might include productivity levels, error rates, employee engagement scores, retention rates, and recruitment costs. Gather feedback. Regularly gather feedback from participants about the training. This can provide valuable insights into what's working and what's not. Conduct assessments. Regular assessments can help measure how much participants have learned from the training. Monitor performance. Keep an eye on performance metrics to see if the training is leading to improvements in the workplace. Remember, effective L&D evaluation must be linked with identified performance gaps. By focusing on these areas, you can ensure your L&D program is delivering value and achieving its intended outcomes. Investing for long-term competitiveness. In the quest for executive buy-in and substantial investments in L&D, these compelling arguments become powerful tools for L&D professionals. They provide a robust framework for showcasing the tangible and intangible benefits that accrue from nurturing an organization's most valuable asset, its human capital. By investing in learning and development, organizations make a commitment to securing their long-term competitiveness and resilience in an ever-changing business environment. It is an investment that promises not only immediate returns, but also the enduring strength and adaptability needed to thrive in the future. Please share your opinions on comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episodes of The Future of Work Belongs to Thomas Academy.